Testimony has ended in the wrongful death civil trial of a former Dallas police officer, Amber Guyger. Good evening, I'm Steve Eager.
And I'm Heather Hayes. Guyger is being sued by the family of Botham Jean for killing him in an off-duty shooting. It happened in 2018. Guyger mistakenly entered Jean's apartment thinking it was hers and killed him when she says she thought he was an intruder. Fox 4's Sean Rabb has been following the civil trial and joins us now. Sean.
Yeah, and on this last day of testimony, a crime scene reconstruction expert who said Botham Jean posed no threat to Amber Guyger when he was shot, unless standing up while eating ice cream is a threat. And the first police officer on the scene told the court what Amber Guyger did not say or do. When Amber Guyger testified at her guilt or innocence trial, she said she fired her weapon when the person in the apartment she thought was hers was coming towards her. And she says she yelled, "Show me your hands, show me your hands." But crime scene reconstruction expert Michael Maloney, testifying through Zoom, said using Dallas police and Texas Rangers diagrams of Botham Jean's apartment, trajectory of bullets, one in a wall, one fatally into Jean, it was his opinion that he was rising from a sitting position as he began to face the door, and she had just entered the kitchen when she fired the two shots. What she said happened does not match the forensic evidence. The first officer on the fourth floor of Southside Flats after the shooting, Keenan Blair, was questioned by attorney Daryl K. Washington, at any time did Amber Guyger say she shot Botham Jean because he had a gun? Blair: no, she didn't say that. At any time, the attorney asked, did Amber Guyger tell you he was charging her? The response was she never said that. The attorney asked if she had backed out of the apartment and called for backup, would Botham Jean be alive today? Blair answered yes, he would. The attorney finally asked if Amber Guyger was not a DPD officer and you arrived at that scene, what would you have done? He responded, put her in handcuffs, arrested her. Former U.S. Attorney Richard Roper says for Botham Jean's family, putting forth a full case when Guyger has no representation is still important.
For a victim's family, having a civil judgment in their minds might be very important, more worth than money, just so they know that she's held responsible. So it could give the deceased family a measure of justice, a sense of that they're getting full justice.
While Guyger's in prison with no obvious assets, justice for Botham Jean's family means value placed on his life, cut short at 26 as he was entering his prime.
When you're talking about something that is so horrific, being gunned down in your own living room, you're at home, and some person just comes in there. Yeah, I mean, 8 figures, 9 figures are well justified.
And attorney Jeff Henley says that dollar amount could be in the tens of millions of dollars. Now, both of Jean's parents took the stand today. His dad said his life was different, that it has changed since his son was killed. Closing statements Wednesday morning.